Here are 15 anti-inflammatory drinks that you can consider. Green tea. Green tea contains polyphenols and antioxidants that have anti-inflammatory properties. It can help reduce inflammation and promote overall health. Turmeric latte. Turmeric contains a compound called curcumin, which has powerful anti-inflammatory effects. A turmeric latte made with milk, dairy or plant-based, and a dash of black pepper can be a soothing and anti-inflammatory drink. Ginger tea. Ginger has been used for centuries to reduce inflammation and soothe digestive issues. Drinking ginger tea can provide anti-inflammatory benefits and help with pain relief. Tart cherry juice. Tart cherries are rich in antioxidants and have been shown to reduce inflammation and muscle soreness. Drinking tart cherry juice regularly can be beneficial for managing inflammation. Pineapple and ginger smoothie. Pineapple contains an enzyme called bromelain, which has anti-inflammatory properties. Blend pineapple with ginger and a liquid of your choice to create a refreshing and anti-inflammatory smoothie. Beetroot juice. Beetroot is rich in betalains, which are powerful antioxidants with anti-inflammatory properties. Drinking beetroot juice can help reduce inflammation and support overall health. Cranberry juice. Cranberries are packed with antioxidants and phytochemicals that have anti-inflammatory effects. Opt for 100% pure cranberry juice without added sugars for maximum benefit. Matcha latte. Matcha is a powdered form of green tea that contains high levels of antioxidants. Enjoying a matcha latte can provide anti-inflammatory benefits along with a boost of energy. Lemon water. Starting your day with a glass of warm lemon water can help alkalize the body and reduce inflammation. Lemon contains vitamin C and antioxidants that support immune health and fight inflammation. Cucumber and mint-infused water. Infusing water with cucumber slices and fresh mint leaves can create a refreshing and anti-inflammatory drink. Cucumbers are hydrating and contain compounds that have anti-inflammatory properties, while mint can help soothe digestion. Aloe vera juice. Aloe vera has natural anti-inflammatory properties and can help soothe digestive issues. Drinking aloe vera juice can support gut health and reduce inflammation in the body. Chamomile tea. Chamomile tea is known for its calming properties and can also help reduce inflammation. It contains flavonoids that have anti-inflammatory effects and can promote relaxation. Pomegranate juice. Pomegranates are rich in antioxidants, including punicalagins, which have been shown to have anti-inflammatory effects. Enjoying a glass of pomegranate juice can provide a refreshing and anti-inflammatory boost. Carrot and ginger juice. Carrots are packed with nutrients and antioxidants that can help fight inflammation. Blend carrots with ginger and a splash of citrus juice for a vibrant and anti-inflammatory drink. Hibiscus tea. Hibiscus tea is made from the dried petals of the hibiscus flower and has been shown to have anti-inflammatory properties. It also contains antioxidants that can promote heart health. Remember that these drinks can be part of a balanced diet and a healthy lifestyle. If you have specific health concerns, it's always a good idea to consult with a healthcare professional.